Hello, my little superstars. I'm your teaching mama. Today, we are going to become sentence builders. Are you ready to build a sentence with me? Yes, let's begin. Before we start, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch fun learning videos every day. Let's get started. Look at this. What do we see? A red ball. Can you say it with me? This ball is red. Again. This ball is red. Very good. Let's understand the meaning of this sentence. This. We use this when we show something close to us. Ball. That's the object. It's what we are talking about. Is red. That tells us more about the ball. It is red in color. Let's put it together. What do we get? This ball is red. Let's practice. I'll show you some things and you tell me the sentence. What can we say? This ball is blue. Again, this ball is blue. Good one. Let's check out the other one. What will you say? This ball is green. Again, this ball is green. Your turn. Very good. Now, let's say the sentence and build confidence. This ball is red. Can you read? This ball is blue. Can you read? This ball is green. Can you read? Very good. You did amazing today. You just made your own sentence all by yourself. Now you try, look around you and make a sentence. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mama in the next video? I'm excited too. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.